What's up, crew? We back again, and we're gonna do chili cheese hot dogs. And I was gonna grill these hot dogs, but to keep everything down and from messing up the kitchen, we're gonna drop them in the deep fryer. So we're gonna have some deep fried chili cheese hot dogs. And these are ballpark bun-sized beef hot dogs. We're gonna drop them in that grease, and when they get ready, I'll bring you guys back and I will show you how we're gonna put it together. Okay, we're back. That didn't take long. I got a grease at 350 degrees, and our hot dogs are golden and brown and floating, so we're gonna pull them up. Look at that. And y'all give me 1 second and I'm gonna show y'all how I put it together. Okay, so we back. We're gonna show y'all how we do the chili cheese hot dogs. Put the hot dogs in the bun. And you can toast your buns if you would like to. Just gonna keep it simple, quick and easy today. We're gonna put our chili over here. We're gonna take some yellow mustard. And to go with this, some of those homemade fries that we prepared. Okay, crew, here's the finished look. I added the cheese off camera. I got chili cheese hot dogs with a little mustard. And here go our fries. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and share this video. And if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. And let us know what you think in the comment section about this. And we'll catch y'all in the next video. And the favorite words of Mama Margaret, cool it is.